Aquaba, welcome to Dan S channel, guys. I am here. The spot is called Jerk Royal Jamaican Grill, right here in Madina, Accra. Let me just give you a visual of what it looks like outside, right? And guys, let me tell you something. You see this spot right here called Jerk Royal? You know what Dan is going to refer to it as? You depend the ends when you enter, right? It's extremely rustic in my view, right? I'm going to take you straight through. And there is a feel that's just totally authentic and all Jamaican. Right here, continent of Africa, destination Ghana. The one-on-one is going to be coming up with the owner. But just look at Jerk Royal. What is this here? Map of Jamaica, guys. Right? Does it remind you of anywhere in Jamaica? You got it. That's the tree right there. Yeah? You know, sometimes when you say to yourself, you want to go somewhere and just chill away from the crowd, Jerk Royal can be that spot for you. Guess what I just learned when I stepped in? The owner, a dynamic young lady. Her sister, her older sister, Tina.
Hi.
Tina.
Welcome to Accra, Ghana. Yes, Jerk Royal is the place to be.
But Tina, guys, guess what? Tina just arrived. Live and direct from Jamaica. When did you arrive here, Tina?
From April. I'm here 6 months now.
6 months. How is it to you? How you feel? Because it's the first time you come into Ghana, right? How do you feel?
I just feel welcome. I'm a family here already, so I just feel overwhelming to be in Ghana here. I just feel overwhelming.
Jesus.
Words cannot explain
I know.
how I feel.
How it look to you? Look like Jamaica?
Oh my God, the people here are very friendly. We are family here. I can't say I'm a stranger here. I'm a family in Ghana here. So I just feel welcome to be in Ghana here.
Well, you know something, Tina, it's fantastic. And I'm sure little sis is happy that you're here because you're working in the family business, right? I want you to send a message to the global space about anybody thinking about coming to Ghana. What words of encouragement would you give them right now?
Well, I'm giving the words of encouragement that just to come to Ghana, just to see for yourself and to just experience just we as a family here, and that you're welcome in Ghana here.
Awesome.
So it's awesome. Just come, try it, and it's hard to leave Ghana here. It's hard. It's very hard to leave here.
But Tina, I noticed that this shirt well brand out, man. What, you know?
Brand
Jerk,
out.
see it here? And I love the red. Jerk soul. Turn
Yeah.
around and make we see the jerk soul. Turn on the back too. Yes. See this, you notice the Jamaica flag,
Yes.
guys. Excellent.
Excellent,
Tina,
excellent.
thank you so much. And we'll catch up in a bit. Guys, here we have, and this is Tina. Tina is right here to the left. That's her
Left.
little station when you enter.
Oh, that's
Then
here.
she greets you, right, as she did when I entered. And you have staff only, so we're not even going to go in that area. That's your kitchen. All the goodies happen down here. But in this little foyer that when you enter, Tina greets you with a smile. You notice how we brand up with the Jamaica. Look, the man see the Jamaica flag. They set up, man. Come on, you know, she said the owner not joke. She not joking, you know, not joking at all.
Big up, big up,
big up, big up, big up, big up. And I'm going to turn around here. Whoa, we soon see her, you know, we soon meet her. Yes, the name boss. Guys, coming up with the one and only Sasha, owner,
Sasha
right?
Royal.
Brainchild of Jerk Royal, Madina, Accra. But here what happened, I'm going to check out the jerk drum. It's not even jerk drum, you know. This is a jerk thing here, what them do them jerk. Guys, let me tell you something. It is very unique and, as Tina just said, authentic. So let me pull up right here now. Julius, you are the jerk master right here. Say hello to the global space.
Hello. This is Julius.
Julius, Ghanaian, right?
I'm from Ghana.
Yes.
And this how we do our grill.
I'm gonna come around here.
Yeah.
You fly it for me? Is it open for me?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, you're welcome. Visit my office.
This is your office.
Yeah, that's my office. This is Jack Royal. This is how we do our thing. This is how we grill. Very spicy, very tasty, and very crispy.
Okay. And that's some finished product.
You are
there.
always welcome to Jack Royal.
Julius, guess what I want you to do? Could you just close back down that grill? I want them to see the uniqueness of this, because I have never seen one look like this before. All right. Guys, no, let me come this side so you can get a better visual of it. Here you go. Everything is branded, and we love it. We love it. Julius, tell us a few words. How do you like or enjoy working here at Jerk Royal as the master chef? I call you master chef, you know.
Yeah, it's a pleasure working at Jack Royal restaurant. And I really enjoy whenever I'm in front of the griller. I feel excited when I'm working under Jet Royal. I feel excited. All the customers, when they come around, I feel excited. Pleasure to meet everyone who enters into this restaurant. It's an amazing restaurant. If you come, you regret it in your life. You enjoy the best meal from Jamaica. You enjoy it, especially the chicken. Come enjoy the grilled chicken. You are always invited to Jet Royal.
May I say, Julius, may I say. Guys, as we have here, Ghanaians and Jamaicans working in unison. This is it for the inside and outside of Jerk Royal here in Madina, Accra. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Diane is going to be at this little spot for a couple of hours well. And you know, I have to get my food. As always, thank you. May I say, God bless.